Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I bought two ATVs for myself that are amphibious, and I bought two military ships for my friend Dan, guys. So I'm going to meet him by the red gas station, guys. So off we are, guys. Wait, let me go wake up Dan. I think he's still asleep in his bed. Or he already left. I don't know, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Come on, Dan. I got a surprise for you.
Okay.
I think your driveway is a bit tricky.
I know.
We need to get a construction company for you to get this driveway redone.
Okay.
Guys, so it's currently raining here at my house. That's what's the noise on the roof. Oh my days, guys. Clearly I can't drive, guys. Guys, let me just pop it into for low, and I can just drive on out of here. Then I'm going to pop it in for high, guys. Then guys, here is the first location near the sheriff's office, guys. I don't know where Dan is, guys, but I'm going to pull here in, guys. Oh my days, guys, I forgot I'm supposed to meet Dan at the red gas station again for a nice coffee and a pie, guys. So then we are going to go back to the location. Okay, guys, we are almost at the red gas station where the first ATV amphibious thingy is. It's here close somewhere. Yeah, so guys, here we are at the red gas station, guys. Guys, I still don't see Dan, but guys, I'm parking like I want to because I can, because it's just going to be a quick stop, guys.
I was sleeping.
Where the hell are you, Dan? Guys, we will get a nice Bloxy Cola, then the pie, then we just leave the cash right here, guys. Then guys, we are going to go to the sheriff's office, guys. After
I'm already at the sheriff's office.
Bro Dan, did you already have coffee and everything?
Yes.
Racist. No, I'm joking. I'm the one who's a bit slow today, guys. Usually I'm always waiting for Dan, guys. Guys, if my graphics is a bit slow and that, it's because our internet is a bit slow today, guys. Oh my days, I will just have that fixed. So here is Dan, guys. I'm just going to park right here, guys. Mm-mm.
Jy moet daai goed bring dat ons die taak kan klaarmaak. En neem jou praatjie en jou goed weer. Met leer. Daar net vandag glad nie môre op jou rekenaar nie, ook nie Sondag nie, Johan, want jy moet goed doen met LWR.
Guys, I think Danny's going to drive this out. Because I don't have my license for these military ships, guys. Only Dan has his license, so that's why I bought these two for me, guys. See, guys, it was out in a jiffy. Let me just get the hams. And then, guys, that tree was necessary to come out, guys. I'll guide Dan. Come, 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 come. Stop. See, guys, my guidance is really good. But guys, then we are going to go pick up the first amphibious ATV, guys. I call them the mini ships, guys. That stop sign needed to be fixed anyways, guys, so it was a bit rusted, guys. That one too. All these stop signs are a bit rusted, guys. Then after we picked up this ATV, well, this mini ship, I'm going to go with Dan to the other location. Oh my days. Guys, I'm just going to reverse on the highway. It's pretty safe, no one will bump into me, except Dan if he comes with a hell lot of speed, guys. Oh my days, guys. See, guys, that's what I mean. I'm going to go check if Dan's okay, guys. He's probably fine. He just came out of that ditch. So guys, I'm going to make a right turn here. If you can see, there is the ATV. That stop sign needed to be fixed anyways, guys. So I'm going to park right here, guys. Dan is playing again with my trailer, guys. The last time we tried to do that while we were on the road, on the highway, guys, the cops pulled us over and said, "You're not Tom Cruise, you cannot do your own stunts." Guys, this thing is stuck, but I'll get it out somehow. Let me just reverse. Yeah, guys, I think we need to. There we go. Thank you, Dan. You just needed a boost, guys.
Yes.
Oh my days, guys. I don't really like these, but I just bought them for the fun, guys. I'm just going to use them when I open my own ATV place, guys. Then I'm going to have like a place where you can dip your vehicles if they get muddy, guys, and these will be so perfect for those things, guys. But let me just close the ramps. Then me and Dan just need to make a U-turn. See, guys, I'm just going to pull in here. That grass needed to be cut anyways, guys. It's not necessary always to think bad of something, guys. luckily there are no cars parked here, guys, because me and Dan are driving like true South African taxi drivers, guys. You can even ask our kids and our wives, guys. Now cop, now stop. So guys, it's somewhere near some secret campsite, guys. The guy moved and he forgot those stuff. I mean the two ships there, guys. And guys, um, he said if we are willing to buy them, he will sell them to us. So we bought them, guys. So I'm just going to pull in here, guys. Then I'm going to make some kind of a U-turn before Dan comes. Oh my days, guys. Or I will just pull up right like here. Then when Dan pulls in, or when he's done making his U-turn, I'm going to. Okay, guys, I can really quickly make this U-turn. I must not bump that American pole, guys. So I'm just going to go back down the road, and then, guys, I'm going to park right here, guys. Then, guys, oh, I forgot to drink my cola, guys. Guys, I'm kind of allergic to cola, that's why my head went so tiny for a split second, guys. See, guys, Dan has a smart plan, but when the owner moved out, he got stuck with his gooseneck trailer right here, guys, because he couldn't reverse out, guys. See, guys, and I'm here before Dan even got out, guys. And of course Dan had to bump my trailer, guys. Oh my days, guys. I'm only going to use him for the water, guys. Me and Dan will even maybe go do some camping later on, guys. But I think we'll save it for next video, guys. Then I'm going to go load these up at my house, and then you can load your ships off at my house if you want to. Oh my days, guys, I was on the wrong side of the road. No problem. Meow. Guys, I don't see Dan. I think we might have lost him, but luckily we have a GPS, guys. But guys, here is my workshop where I work on cars and that, guys. So if one of these ships are starting to have problems, I'll winch them on with my winch on my trailer. Then I will just push them off. Oh my days, guys, I really can't drive. Oh my days, guys, my game tweaked out a little bit there, guys. But we are almost at my home, guys. Oh my days, guys, I almost got into the ditch, guys. Oh my days, guys, the stop sign can also be taken out. It's too rusted and too old-fashioned for me and my brand new 2025 F250, guys. But I'm just going to park right here, guys. Then I'm going to open these doors, guys. unload them like that. There we go, guys. First one offloaded or unloaded, guys. Then I will now move my truck out of the way. Oh my days. This ATV might need to go for some panel beaters at my workshop. That one too, but it's fine. Then don't worry. Don't break my trailer, please. I will now move my bloody trailer. Because I also need to move this trailer and park it near that side net thingy. Because my trailer, I usually just put it right here when I go do my jobs, guys, but I only can afford one pickup, guys, so it will have to do for now, guys. So guys, when I just parked my truck, guys, I'm going to go hit my bed. Well, firstly I'm going to take a shower, guys. Nice and rinsed up, guys. Now it's time for my bed, guys. Well, see you in the next video, guys.